Hi, I'm Katie from KDJ Design and Events, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own AI party banners. Let's create an AI generated party banner together. First, click on Personalized AI generated party banners. Once it loads, come our Order Now button. Now we click Order Now and it generates our blank banner. Now we need to choose an image style. Now I love playful. It's a little bit fun, nice rounded edges in a cartoon style. Now we need to enter a description for our background. Let's do pastel sky scene. We're going to submit our prompt. Now we need to enter a description for our main image. Now I love unicorns on skateboard. We're going to put only because sometimes it likes to add in a few other features. We're going to submit that prompt. Now it'll take a minute or so to generate the images. And then we'll need to add some text for once that's done to go with it. Now in the banners, we have 2 spaces for customization to be added. First, we'll do Katie. And then the second one will have turns 42. This is if you wanted to add in some clever wording. Click this button here to change. Cool. Let me select the other items. I'm going to make this text. Oh, it keeps picking up the banner. We'll wait for it to finish doing its thing. Oh, it's a cool unicorn. Move this text over. Move the unicorn over. Now I want that a bit smaller so that it lines up under each other. And bring you down. I'm going to put you there. Move you over a bit. That looks about right. Just waiting on our images. Now everything should be able to be moved around in our editor. Now there's a cool unicorn. Cool, and it's done. That's our background. We can move that around, resize it if we like, get rid of those trees. There we go. Use that. Select our unicorn. Now, he probably goes better on this side. We'll put Katie there. Turns 42 there underneath it. And we're going to make our unicorn bigger. Our showstopper. Now, the color of the text we can change around. See what looks nice and what stands out. Oh, customization 2, there we go. There's so many to choose from. I like that. I think that looks nice for a banner. Once you're happy with it, down here, check your design's correct. Add to cart. Now that's all it took to create your own banner exactly how you want it. Next, let's make an AI photo magic banner. First, click on the AI photo magic party banners. Wait for it to load. Here comes our Order Now button, which will load our online editor. Now we want to pick an image style. Let's go with 3D art this time. Now, we want a description for our background. Let's magical outer space. We're going to submit our prompt. Now we need to upload our image. We can upload a single image, or we can upload an image with 2 people. These are great for engagement parties, joint parties. Great to get the people onto the decorations. Now they will load. Now we're going to need some text. What shall we write? Let's celebrate. I'm going to move us over here. Now everything is adjustable in size. It's me and my daughter. And then we're going to write our names. Paige and Katie. Also, if we need to make more space, press enter and it'll move the text down like so. But I like having it on the one line. And I think a bold font, that looks nice. Squeeze this over a bit. Put in room for the text. I think that's about center. And wait for that background to finish loading. Isn't that pretty? Now, we're not quite happy with it. We can change the image style, the art type, and see what the other ones came up with. I like that one. That's pretty. Change the font colors. That looks nice. Once you're happy with your design, check that it's correct and add it to cart. The options with this one are endless. Now, the last type of banner that I'm going to show you how to create is our AI Fun Effects Party Banner. I love this one because there's so much to play with. Once it loads, I'm going to order now. Okay, we're going to go playful because I like that option. Now we need a background description. Let's go to a tropical island. Scene. I'm going to submit that prompt. Now we're going to upload an image. Let's do this one of me. Now, we're going to need some objects, and I am going to need a cowboy hat, and we're going to write only. And let's give me a magic wand too. And we're on a tropical island. Oh, let's get a cocktail. Now it's going to take a little while for all of these to load. Oh, they're all done now. That's an interesting one. There's my cocktail. So, move them out of the way. Going to move me over here. Now we need to make enough room for my cowboy hat. No, that's on. Cowboy hat. You straighten it up. my cowboy hat. My drink. And in case somebody needs to take my drink, here's my magic wand. Where shall we place that? You can sit over there. Right. Give yourself my drink. Now we need to add a name. I am just going to do Katie on this one. Big writing there. Select a colour. Yeah, purple. There we go. Change the font colour if we like. But I think that's great. Perfect for my holiday. And then we're going to review the design. We're going to add to cart, and it's all done. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped you feel confident creating your own AI party banner. If you have any questions, just reach out. Happy creating.